What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to display your site results like this on Google. This is an FAQ, the frequently answered questions results. This is a structured data schema, okay? So FAQ schema. And you can do this for free on your WordPress website into a very simple way. But before I can continue and learn how to do this, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access on the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and review the left sidebar of menus. Hover a mouse over plugins, hit the submenu Add New, review the upper right corner of your screen, into the field Search Plugins, click and type Yoast SEO, just like this, Y-O-A-S-T. Here is the guide that I'm looking for. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. That is going to redirect you to the plugins list or to the plugin welcome page if you've never had this plugin before. Just try to answer the questions as much as you can. Try to upload your site business model, your site name, your site title, the slogan, the logotype, as much info as you can. After, you're going to be able to go back to your WordPress dashboard. And from here, you can create a new post where you would like to apply this FAQ or a new page, up to you. Type your page title. Enter with some description in the case that you want. Then click into the plus button to add a block. And right here, we're going to search for FAQ. And here is the guide I'm looking for, Yoast FAQ. First, you need to enter the question, the answer, and you can apply an image in the case that you want. Let me enter the title of the question, the answer of the question. In the case that you want to apply a new raw to this, you can click right here, enter with title, and answer. And let's repeat the process 2 more times just to create a very good FAQ. Of course, this is just an example. Try to type as much as you can, try to be more accurate, try to share more details. This is good. Google loves it. And try to share as much info as you can to create authority, okay? After, in the case that you want, you can click on the question and apply an image. Let me upload some images. The image is gonna serve as illustration to this question and gonna make your result appears on Google Image as well. So images are very useful for this purpose. I think this one can be the first. This one can be the second. The third. And the fourth. Just like this, and you have your FAQ following all the Google good practice and markup schema guidelines. All you have to do is publish your content after writing more content, after optimizing the SEO, but the FAQ schema gonna be just like this. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Remember that if you don't like some answer or question, you always can click into this trash icon to delete, or to these arrows to move the question up or down into the list, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check the visualmodo.com for more tutorials and WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!